Hi there. I'm just going to give you a quick review on a lot of people having an issue with SMB for systems where they're basically following a problem with the network drive where they're unable to map the network drive on Windows 10. They get an error about it's unknown and the credentials don't exist or the map network doesn't exist. It's a very simple protocol that needs to be enabled in the control panel, the programs and features, and it's where this turn programs on and off. If you click on this one, you'll be able to scroll down and you will see this SMB 1.0. By default, Windows 10 this is unticked, so you just need to you need to make sure you tick this feature, and at least client and server should be enabled. Once it's enabled, you install this feature by pressing OK, restart the system, and after that, if you go back and map the network drive, you should be able to map it without any complications. This is a very quick fix for the Windows 10. This is because SMB 1.0 is unsecure, it's not secure anymore, but all technology still uses this protocol. Please let me know if you have any questions on this. Thank you.